Thank you for joining us for this video. Today we will be working with the SurfLog tool in the RMMmax console. If you are watching this video, you likely know how to enable clients and agents. However, for those who do not, I will briefly go over it again to ensure everyone is on the same page as our demonstration. First, you need to enable your clients and agents for RMMmax management. Then, you will also need to enable the clients and agents for the SurfLog tool. Once you have SurfLog enabled, automated scans will start to be scheduled on each of the agents. After the initial set of scans is complete, you should start seeing data from your agents. Some agents may not report back data, which can be expected. Agents that do not report back data may simply have no data to report. We limit data requests to the last 24 hours. So if a user is away, then there may be no browser history available. Once everything is configured, you can choose to launch a scan of the client to speed up the first collections. Depending on your RMM environment and number of agents online, the scan could take a few minutes to complete. Let's flip over to our RMM environment. I'm using Tactical RMM for this demonstration. By examining my agent's command history, I can see the SurfLog scan requests for each of my agents coming in. If agents repeatedly fail the scan, take a look at the AV logs for the agent. It may be blocking the scans. Now, I am going to hop onto a couple of agents and run my browser simulator. It will open a randomly chosen browser and request a set of random pages. This will help feed our demo and give us some data to look at. That should do it. Of course, now we will need to run another scan to get the data we just generated. You can see that we already have some data for each of our agents in the form of log counts. At the next couple of frames, you will see the number change. Some of the agents will appear to shrink in size. This is common. The agent's logs are falling off due to the 7-day retention period, even though new logs are being added. Now that our data has refreshed, we can look at the data in two ways. The first way is by reviewing the provided charts. Each chart combines a history of all the agents reporting in for the given time periods. You can see which browser is used the most, what part of the day is busiest, or which day of the week gets more web traffic. The second way is by reviewing the raw logs. At the client level, raw logs could be in the hundreds of thousands, depending on the size of the client. For this reason, we limit the log display at the client level to just the day's logs, with a button to switch to yesterday. If you need more detailed logs, you will need to visit the agent view of SurfLogs. We can export the logs at the client level to a CSV file, which we can open with Excel or a text reader. We can visit each agent individually to inspect their data more closely. Selecting any agent from the list will take you to the SurfLog tool for that agent. We can inspect the agent's raw log history in the log viewer, where all logs within the retention period are displayed and exportable. You can export to CSV, then open the file with Excel to review all the entries collected by the scanner. In conclusion, by following these steps, you can effectively enable clients and agents and review the collected data using the SurfLog tool. Whether you're looking at summarized charts or diving into raw logs, these tools provide valuable insights into web traffic and browser usage. Remember, automated agent scans only happen 4 times a day and only captures the last 24 hours of logs during its scans. Thank you for watching this demonstration. We hope you found it helpful and informative. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out, and happy monitoring.